Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox the Oppo A52, and this is a new mid-range phone from Oppo which is costing around 35,000 PKR in Pakistan market. So in this video I'm gonna unbox this phone and I'm gonna give you my first impression about the Oppo A52. And this phone gives you a 4 GB of RAM with a 128 GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the black color. This phone is also available in the white color which looks like this. And guys, you can see that these are the main highlighting feature about this phone. We have a 6.5-inch Full HD Neo display. On the back we have a AI quad cameras on the back, and this phone give you a massive 5000 mAh battery size with a 18-watt fast charging. And guys, now let's quickly unbox this phone and let's see what this Oppo has to offer in this phone. And this phone is powered by a same Snapdragon 665 chipset. I don't know that why they don't upgrade the chipset on this phone, but and you can see, open this box, and the first thing we got this big mini box which contain a simulation tool, quick start guide, and also we have a soft silicone case, and you can see it is a soft silicone case. And here is the Oppo A52. Let's out the phone from this box. On the front we have some main highlighting feature about this phone. Now let's put the side here and look inside the box, and it is a 18-watt fast charging, and you can see it is a 18-watt adapter, and it is a USB type C. And you can see that's really good thing on this phone. And also we get a headphones, and you can see here is the Oppo A52. Now let's out the phone from this plastic, and you can see Oppo A52 black color looks very beautiful. And you can see we have this very good looking effect on the back, and show you the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have a speaker, USB type C port, microphone, and a headphone jack. On the left we have a SIM tray, a volume up and volume down rocker. This phone support 1 micro SD card with a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. On the right we have a switch on off button with a side mounted fingerprint scanner. On the back we have a quad cameras on the back, and you can see the main sensor on the back is a 12 megapixel. Then we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and also we have a 2 megapixel macro lens. And guys, back and the frame is made up of plastic. And here is the 6.5-inch Full HD IPS LCD display with a punch hole display, and you can see it is a 16 megapixel front camera. So now let's quickly set up this phone up. Okay guys, and here is the first boot of the Oppo A52, and you can see, and the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that this phone is not as good as the Super AMOLED display, but I have to say that I really like the brightness on this phone, and you can see it is a really bright display. I already set up the fingerprint scanner. Now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed, and you can see it worked very fast. And also we have a punch hole display, and the screen to body ratio looks very good on this phone. So now let's go to the settings and go to the about phone, and you can see that this phone is running on Android 10, which is the latest version of Android. And also we have a ColorOS 7.1 on this phone, and a 128 GB of internal storage out of 110 GB is available for you. And you can see this one is also give you a dark mode as well as auto brightness feature. Now let's see the notification area on this phone, and you can see all the features is available that you also see on Oppo devices with the Android 10 update. Now let's look at the camera. On the back we have a quad cameras on the back, and the main sensor on the back is a 12 megapixel. Then we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and lastly we have a new 2 megapixel macro lens. And you can see here is the normal, here is a 2x which is a digital, you can go all the way up to 5x which is a digital, and here is your ultra wide. And you can see ultra wide looks very good on this phone, and the night mode is also available in this phone with the ultra wide lens as well. And the back camera also shoot 4K with the 30 fps, same thing with the Full HD. You can see also we have a portrait mode in the more section you also get, and the slow motion is also available on this phone. And guys, in the video mode you don't get ultra steady mode on this phone. Now let's see the video recording size, and the front camera only shoot Full HD with the 30 fps as well. So now let's talk about the battery life of this phone, and this phone give you a massive 5000 mAh battery size with 18-watt fast charging right out the box. Definitely this phone give you a at least 1 day of battery life if you are a heavy user. And also we get a 18-watt fast charging with this phone. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing video of the Oppo A52. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and let me know what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the Oppo A52. I will do it. and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.